Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Naima, and in today's video, we're going to be trying out the Revair. It's this thing. It's a blow dryer, and I'm super excited to try it out. So let's just jump right in. My hair has already been washed, deep conditioned. It's in sections. Oh yeah, I need to use a heat protector. So I'm gonna be using the Design Essentials Agave and Lavender Blow Dry and Silk Press Collection Blow Dry Styling Primer. Looks like this. It says just really shake it. Alright, my hair is all detangled. And this thing is super loud, so I'm really scared. I'm gonna put it on the high heat, which is 2, and then there's looks like this. It's lit up to tell me that it's on. Then there's this dial, which is the tension settings. I'm gonna start with 2. It goes all the way up to 7, so let's try it. Okay, wow, that's 2. I'm gonna go to 4. And it doesn't get super hot at all like it did. I felt it getting to my scalp and all that, but I want it straighter than this. So it's really soft. All right, we're gonna go to 4. Okay. Wow. That's really straight. Like, I'll link my last blowout video above, and my hair did not get this straight. Oh, this is so exciting. All right, I think I'm gonna crank it up a little bit more because it could get straighter. I know I can. Oh yeah. Okay. I think 7 is the way to go. It's so soft. Alright, I'm gonna do one more section with you guys, and I'm gonna finish up in the bathroom because I can't really see what I'm doing without my glasses. Okay. Wow. This is the straightest blowout I've ever gotten. It's super shiny. It's like light and fluffy, like. All right, I'm gonna come back with it all done. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, I am back. And this is the softest my hair has ever felt blowing out my hair. Like usually it's like a little dry and so not shiny. Like look at the shine. And it's really, really, really straight. Like the straightest blowout I have ever gotten. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. Cons, number one. So super expensive. This thing is, I think the kit that I got was $500 and something, but they had like a Black Friday deal which brought it to $349. Even still, $349 for a blow dryer. I was lucky enough to have this gifted to me for Christmas. So yeah, but they do have payment plans. You can get it for $80 with Afterpay. So like $80 every 2 weeks or whatever for 6 weeks. And it's kind of heavy. It wasn't too bad, you know, but it's a big machine. Like, I have it all tucked away right now because I'm done with it. But oh, it's super duper heavy. So, you know, but that's really all the cons. As far as the pros, I blew up my hair in less than 20 minutes, which usually it takes me like 45 minutes to an hour with my other blow dryer, which I think I'm gonna toss. So, my hair is so soft. Like I said, I've never felt my hair to be so soft and moisturized, and it didn't get all like steamy in the bathroom, like, which is another great thing because like usually I'm like dying when I'm blowing out my hair. It's just like crazy hot. But that thing didn't get super hot at all, but it got my hair very straight. Now I used my Revair on the highest heat and the highest tension to get these results. So I'm prepping my hair for something fun. You guys will see it soon. But yeah, if you can afford it, I'd say go for it. If not, the blow dryer and the round brush method works. I'm not that coordinated, so yeah, I'm so not coordinated. But the kit that I got came with a nice stand, like a heavy duty stand, so you know, you're not just like setting it on the counter and it flies off the counter or whatever. This is super handy. It also came with some clips. It came with some really cute like crocodile clips in like their signature color. It came with a shine spray, which I did not use yet. Okay. And then it came with a headband, which I might use, you know, it's pretty cute, you know, zebra print or whatever. So yeah, like I said, if you can afford to buy something like this, I'd say go for it. It'll make your life easier. And it was such a quick process that, you know, it really didn't matter that it was super heavy or whatever for me. But like, if you guys could feel this hair, like, it's so soft. I can't believe it. I've never had such great results with a blow roll up. Usually I'm like, oh my God. And then you know, if I were to ever straighten my hair, it never comes out right because I don't get the blow roll straight enough. So, but maybe in the future, I'll straighten my hair. But yeah, I'm super happy with my results. And I recommend it, but like I said, if you can't afford it, a blow dryer with a round brush method will give you these results, I think. Like I said, I'm not super coordinated to be able to do that. So I need something simple that does all the stretching for me because I'm not coordinated. So yeah, what do you guys think of my results? I'm gonna put in the cards, I don't know, somewhere up here, of my last blowout video, and you guys can compare, or maybe I'll insert like a clip from that to compare, because I know that these results are a lot better than, you know, that. And you can see my purple better. So that's awesome. Oh man, this is so nice. Yes, I've never had such great results with the blowout. So I want to thank my sister for getting this thing for me. Super amazing. I love it. And I hope to do more blowouts in the future. Like, I feel like that you wouldn't get heat damage with this because the heat isn't very high. And as long as you use a heat protectant, you should be good to go. I'm not too worried about heat damage. So, yeah. So, I think that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!